In the ever-evolving landscape of music streaming, platforms are constantly striving to provide users with fresh and diverse content. In 2023, music streaming services have taken on the task of adding new tracks to their libraries on a daily basis. This article explores how music streaming services have become a hub of daily new track additions, offering listeners an extensive selection of the latest music across various genres. Music streaming services in 2023. As the digital era continues to shape the music industry, streaming services have become the primary method for music consumption. Leading platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music dominate the market, competing to attract subscribers by offering a vast catalog of songs and a seamless listening experience. Daily new track additions. To maintain a competitive edge and meet the growing demand for fresh content, music streaming services have embraced the practice of adding new tracks to their libraries on a daily basis. This strategy ensures that users always have access to the latest releases, enabling them to discover new artists, genres, and trends. Diverse range of genres. With daily track additions, streaming platforms cater to a wide variety of musical tastes. Whether it's pop, rock, hip-hop, electronic, classical, or niche genres, there is something for everyone. This diversity allows users to explore and expand their musical horizons, providing a personalized and immersive listening experience. Curated playlists and recommendations. To enhance the discovery process, streaming services leverage sophisticated algorithms and user data to offer personalized recommendations and curated playlists. By analyzing listening habits, preferences, and user-generated data, platforms can suggest tracks that align with individual tastes, further expanding the exposure to new music. Breaking new artists and emerging genres. Daily track additions offer a unique platform for emerging artists to gain visibility and reach a broader audience. Streaming services have become instrumental in launching careers and propelling unknown artists to stardom. Moreover, this continuous influx of new tracks enables the exploration of emerging genres and subcultures that may have previously gone unnoticed. Promoting music discoverability. With the abundance of new tracks added daily, music streaming services place a strong emphasis on promoting music discoverability. Features like new releases, editors' picks, and Discover Weekly playlists highlight fresh content, making it easier for users to navigate and uncover the latest additions. This emphasis on discovery fosters a dynamic and engaging music exploration experience. Shaping the music industry. The practice of daily new track additions on streaming platforms has significantly influenced the music industry's dynamics. Artists and labels recognize the importance of securing placements and gaining exposure on these platforms to expand their fan base and generate streams. This has shifted industry focus towards creating more frequent releases and ensuring a steady flow of new content. Conclusion. In 2023, music streaming services have evolved into hubs of daily new track additions, catering to the diverse tastes of millions of listeners worldwide. By embracing this strategy, streaming platforms ensure that users have access to the latest releases, emerging artists, and niche genres. This continuous flow of fresh content enhances music discoverability, empowers emerging artists, and shapes the direction of the music industry. As streaming services continue to expand their libraries and refine their algorithms, users can expect an even more immersive and personalized music experience in the years to come.